I'm Derrick, and I'm 5.
All right. All right, do chin-ups. No, from there. Stop cheating. No, Derrick, grab the poles and do the chin-ups. Yeah, and then the other one. No, and then the other one. Derrick, put your hand on the other one, yeah. Yep, right there. Now chin-ups. 5 of them. 1, 2. Come on, keep going. Oh, 3 more, Derrick. Double ice cream. Come on. 2 more. Good job.
I said 2.
No, you did okay. That was awesome. Good job, buddy.